Hello! Good day, everyone. My name is Teacher Margie, your English teacher, and welcome to our online class. How are you today? Our lesson for today is about farm animals. Once again, our lesson for today is about farm animals. Singular and plural. All right. Please look at the picture. Okay, on the first picture, how many chicken do you see? All right. On the first picture, there is one chicken. So it means singular. Singular means only one. And now, look at the second picture. How many chickens do you see? Okay, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. On the second picture, there are 6 chickens. So, it means plural. Plural means more than one. All right. And now we are going to study about the sentence structure. For example, what is the plural form of duck? The answer, the plural form of duck is ducks. Again, please repeat after me. What is the plural form of duck? The plural form of duck is ducks. All right, so you are going to add S to make it to plural form. All right. Are you ready? All right. So now it's practice time. Are you ready? All right. Okay, here we go. What is the plural form of sheep? What is the plural form of sheep? All right, the plural form of sheep is sheep. Once again, the plural form of sheep is sheep. Okay, for the word sheep, it doesn't change. Okay, the word is still the same. Either it is singular or plural, it doesn't change. It is still the same. Okay, very good. Let's go to the next. What is the plural form of rabbit? What is the plural form of rabbit? Okay, wonderful. The plural form of rabbit is rabbits. The plural form of rabbit is rabbits. All right, very good. Let's go to the next. What is the plural form of cow? What is the plural form of cow? All right, the plural form of cow is cows. The plural form of cow is cows. What is the plural form of horse? What is the plural form of horse? All right, good job. The plural form of horse is horses. The plural form of horse is horses. All right, good job. Now, can you tell me what is the plural form of pig? What is the plural form of pig? Wow, awesome! The plural form of pig is pigs. Again, the plural form of pig is pigs. All right. And I have prepared a worksheet for you to answer. And I hope you did enjoy our lesson for today. Stay safe, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Goodbye.